rice. It's very simple. You don't need Martha Stewart for it. Hello my dear friends, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Rice is plain and not tasty. If you want to see how to make it tasty and eatable, watch my video Spanish rice. Not the authentic Spanish rice, but really easy and nice recipe how to make your rice eatable so everybody like it.
Start by chopping your bacon and on a medium heat fry it crisp. In the meantime, wash and dry your vegetables. Remove the seed from your green pepper. Make sure you remove all of it. And chop it. Don't forget to use all the parts. Food is expensive nowadays. The same way chop your onion. Now your bacon is nice and crispy, and you can remove it to the clean plate. In the hot bacon drippings, cook your vegetables until tender, stirring often. Takes about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add your rice. Mix it all together and cook for about 1 minute. Now add your tomato juice or passata and fresh tomatoes. Everything will work well in this recipe. Add 1 cup of water. Bring it to boil, then lower your heat to minimum. Cover with the lid and cook until all the liquid is evaporized and the rice is ready. Now it's time to add your bacon. Combine it with the rice and enjoy your beautiful Spanish rice. Bon appetit, my friends!